So here we are back again with another new case from the guys at Casekoo, but this one's a little bit different than the clear cases that they've sent across, so let's check it out. What's up guys, welcome back to Michael's Tech Talk. So here we are with a new case from the guys at Casekoo. This one is a little bit different than the other clear cases that I have shown on the channel, and this is what I would say would be their sort of rugged version of their case. So let's check this out. So in the packaging, if you're familiar with Casekoo cases, here's our stickers and here's our little polishing cloth. Nice touches, I do like that. And here we are. So this is their new shock absorbing case, and as you can see here, we have this blue lining on the inside, and then we have on the outside we have this black textured sort of pattern. You can see there it's sort of, you can sort of see there it's, you can see the texture in it. And then we have our Magsafe ring, which is our kickstand, which is kind of Casekoo's signature, if you will. On the side then we've got Casekoo's brand in there as well in that nice blue colour. So what makes this case different is that this case has three pieces to it. So on the outside we have this hard polycarbonate material, which you can see there has that texture on it. We then have the flexible TPU bumper all the way around, so as you can see here it's flexible on the sides, and then on the inside then we have that Ezorb shock absorption material. Otherwise, for it being quite a rugged case, it is still quite minimalistic. So let's just weigh this bad boy. And it weighs in at 54 grams. I mean, it's not massively heavy, but it's definitely not a lightweight case either. It feels pretty sleek, if I'm being honest. Again, we have that hardened material on the outside, so if you do drop it, you are going to get that protection. And then you do have those silicone bumpers. Now, the only thing I would say, personally, if it was me, the side bumpers are very smooth. So I would like either a bit of textured grip, or instead of being plastic, TPU, maybe like a silicone type material to make it a little bit more grippy, because it does feel a wee bit slippy in the hands, but it's not a deal breaker, if I'm being honest. Buttons, yeah, the buttons are really good and clicky and responsive, no issues, they're not stiff or anything like that, which is really good. On the bottom then we do have our cutouts for our lightning port and our speakers. I mean, the fit, as you can see, a bit of flexing around where the button is, where the charging port is, but other than that, it's a pretty solid case. Kind of like it, it's quite nice. Screen lip then, as you can see, the lip does come up over the display, so you do get a good lip there. So if you do set it down, you're not going to get that screen touching the surface. That's pretty good, I can't fault that at all. Camera bump as well. The camera lenses do not protrude, so you do get that camera bump protection. So when your phone is down flat, those lenses aren't going to scrape on the surface, which is really good. Overall, it is, for it being sort of slim and minimalistic, you know, you do have quite a lot of protection there, and it does feel nice to hold in the hand. Again, my personal preference, a little bit of textured grip on the sides or a bit of silicone to make it a little bit more grippy would be pretty good. But other than that, it's really, really good case. And as with all the other Casekoo cases I've featured on the channel, which, by the way, if you haven't seen any of those videos, I will leave you links to those previous videos in the description down below. But what Casekoo have here is their kickstand, which is also the Magsafe ring as well, which is kind of their signature now. So again, that can pop out. You can use it as a stand for whatever way you want to hold it, if you're consuming content, doing FaceTime calls, that kind of thing. It's all good, and the Magsafe is pretty decent on it as well. As always, there we are, we have our Magsafe ring. So as you know, the Magsafe ring, the phone does fold out, so if you obviously, when I'm doing these tests, if I hold it and I hold it forward, the weight of the phone is going to make it drop forward. But if I do it from the side just to test that magnet strength, as you can see, it can take the full weight of the phone. I can jiggle on it there, and it's really, really good. And same again, you hold the phone and it takes the full weight of the stand. So the magnet strength is really good on these cases. I can't fault that whatsoever. So yeah, you are getting that flexibility, you're getting that kickstand, you're getting that ruggedness as well. So you don't have to be restricted to a clear case if you want to have this Magsafe. You don't have to be restricted to a clear case if you want to use a kickstand case now. So it's a really good option. What do you guys think of this case? Let me know in the comments down below. If you have any questions you want to ask me about this case, by all means hit me up in the description. And as always, if you are looking to pick this case up, I will leave you a link in the description down below. I will also leave a discount code down there for you as well. If you want to use my discount code, it does help support the channel, but it won't cost you guys any more money. So if you do help support the channel, thanks for your support, guys. Casekoo also now are offering Klarna on their website, so if you want to spread the cost of your payments, Casekoo are now offering you that option, so by all means hit them up. So that about wraps up this video, guys. I hope you liked it. If you did, smash that like button for me, and don't forget to click that subscribe button and ring that little bell to be notified of new videos just like this one. Keep a look at the channel, guys. I have a whole lot of tech accessories and reviews coming on the channel, so keep it logged. I've got some pretty interesting stuff coming, so I hope you like it. And until the next one, I'll catch you later.